Hello everyone and welcome to the EcoOils training course tutorial. This tutorial aims to help you to identify the different types of aromatic plant lovers, building a scenario based on consumer attitudes, organized in a logical structure, clusters. Organizing a research based on the cluster analysis approach allows profiling customers according to their perceptions and consumption habits and possible correlation between consumption of aromatic plants and interest in healthy lifestyle and sustainable behavior. The objective of semiotic analysis is to characterize the different kind of clusters of consumers to identify the factors that influence the purchase of medicinal and aromatic plants and products. It should be based on the following questions about the tone of their voice when they are talking about aromatic plants and products, the situation that they call into question, their arguments and values that leads to decision making and purchase. Such a questionnaire may include other questions on the attitude, perceptions, and consumption practices regarding aromatic plants and products. It should result in analyzing some general aspects related to health, lifestyle, sustainability, and socio-demographic data. In addition, more filtered questions could be asked to separate consumers according to the purpose of use that allow identification of user groups. For example, such user groups are respondents who are using medicinal and aromatic plants for products for phytotherapeutic purposes, and another group of respondents who use these products for cosmetic and personal care purposes. The collected data should be statistically analyzed using the key means clustering. This is a widely used approach where practitioners begin by learning about the architecture of the dataset and then cluster data points into unique, non-overlapping groupings. As an example, we show here two distinct clusters in two consumer groups, Cluster 1, the curious, and Cluster 2, the knowledgeable. An example from Romania on semiotic analysis of consumers who use medicinal and aromatic plants products, which was conducted among residents of Cluj-Napoca, carried out between June and September 2020. Their final sample consisted of two groups of medicinal and aromatic product consumers, respondents who use these products for phytotherapeutic purposes, and second group who use them as a cosmetic and personal care products. For the knowledgeable cluster have common characteristics in the attitude and factors that influence their consumption practices. The health and environmental protection concerns positively influence the consumption of these products, as they are heavily users of ecologically certified medicinal and aromatic plants products. They generally use herbal products to prevent and/or treat a wide range of health problems, which shows that they were concerned about their health, paying attention to the ecological certification, quality, consumption, and traceability of products. On the other hand, the other cluster, the curious, use aromatic products only when in need and exhibit no preference for natural therapies, traditional, or complementary medicine. A possible hypothesis for future research will focus on whether this use in need occurs before conventional medications or because the latter has not proven effective. You can see here more about these research data distinguished on the purpose of usage, for cosmetic and personal care and for phytotherapeutic purposes. Main study outcomes for farmers. It will be appropriate for producers and processors of aromatic plants to profess the concepts of sustainability, including the development of environmentally certified products in accordance with the European Green Deal. The Green Deal aims to stimulate efficient use of resources by moving to a circular economy and reduce pollution. As organic farming is currently developing, it could be assumed that the use of certified organic medicinal and aromatic plants as raw materials could lead to significant economic benefits and further development of this industrial sector. It is believed that the organization of marketing strategies to promote these issues would be an important factor in encouraging sustainable consumption behavior. Resources used: analyzing clusters of consumers who use medicinal and aromatic plants products, sustainability. Thank you for watching the EcoOils tutorial and goodbye.